Good morning, SMF Street traders and investors worldwide and our complete network. Williams and Sonoma beats by 9 cents. They beat on revs, guides Q3 above consensus. It's one of the few good reports that we have on 8/19 of 2010 at 4:38 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, where a lot of the retailers this morning have been missing their earnings. Company issues upside guidance for Q3. So they're executing well. However, there's a little bit of company issues, mixed guidance for 2011. They see the EPS of $1.63 to $1.70 versus $1.57. They see 2011 revs at 3.374 to 3.43 billion versus 3.37. So there's a little bit of inline guidance for Q4. January sees Q4 revs of 1.1 to 1.14 billion versus 1.3. That's not all that bad, but there's still a little bit of kinkiness within the report. And they did 15.5% year over year to 776 million versus the 757 million. So there's a bright spot right there. That's why they beat by 9 cents. That's why they're also trying to issue some upside guidance for Q3, which will be the next quarter, 26 cents to 30 cents versus 22 cents. So there's a little bit of a bright spot in Williams Sonoma. As far as the daily chart goes, well, it's bullish. We've had quite a downtrend to $28 and we moved up to 28, but the daily movement averages are all looking up. You're above the 100-day movement average, you're above the 20, you're above the 10-day simple movement averages. You got a little bit of upward resistance that it's going to have to challenge right up here on this bar. So we'll take a look and see how this fares and how we can get in on this earnings report this morning. Pre-market opens up in about 20 minutes when these equities will open up off of their earnings reports. So SMF Street traders once again mastering the earnings season and getting ready to take this. Let's take it now.